Vanakkam and hello friends. Today let us see how to prepare hibiscus concoction at home. This could be a very healthy substitute for our regular tea or coffee. This concoction can be prepared using fresh hibiscus petals or dried hibiscus petals as well. I am going to be using dried petals today in the video as I do not have access to the fresh flowers. I brought these dried flowers from Amazon. Check the online shopping link that I have provided in the description section. Hibiscus plant is very well known for its medicinal benefits. It is a great source of minerals, especially iron, and it is very effective in removing toxins and cleansing our blood. It reduces anemia and also it is great for women during menstruation time and menopausal time. It is also perfect for hair care and skin care. Here are the ingredients for 2 servings. Hibiscus petals about 12 to 15, lime juice 1 teaspoon, cane sugar or jaggery 1 tablespoon, dry ginger powder 2 pinches. Boil 2 cups of water in a pot. Add the hibiscus petals into it and allow it to boil for 3 to 4 more minutes. Boil it for only 1 or 2 minutes if you are using fresh petals. Then put the stove on low for 2 more minutes. Now add the jaggery or honey if you are using it, and then the dry ginger powder, and mix it well until the jaggery or honey dissolves into the concoction. Finally, squeeze the lime juice into it. Now use a strainer to strain the concoction. Hot hibiscus drink is now ready. You can enjoy it as a morning drink or an evening drink. As a variation, this concoction can be had just by adding honey into it, or you can cool it completely and add some ice and have it as a cold drink as well. Hope you will enjoy the recipe of this healthy drink. Thank you for watching it. See you soon again with another video.